You ready? Where you turn your face? Come on. What's up, Lola Found? It's your girl Monique and Nalabu, and we came on here to say good night. Nalabu, we came to say good night. Thank you. They want to see you. You turning your head and all, acting all brand new. It's bedtime. So yeah, you finna go to bed. We just was couch potatoes all day. We didn't do anything. But Nala asked for treats all day. Huh, Nalabu? You wanna say good night? Give everybody a high five. Get a high five? You wanna give everybody a high five? Good night?
It's a nigga down there.
Get a high five, good night. It's a good night, Nolly. You gotta go to bed. So get a high five. Hey, give me a high five because it's bedtime. Thank you. It's bedtime.
They got a bond drawn.
All right, y'all. She don't want to go to bed, but it's bedtime.